Now it's time to line our quilt. Like this, we place the lining over our quilt. First, the very edge of our quilt. I say pin it from all four sides so that it aligns with the edge of our lining. And I also place a pin right in the center, a ball pin. Together with our quilt, our lining pin, we finished one side, two sides, three sides, and on the fourth side we leave a gap. That gap will be for turning it inside out. Subtitles MK For this baby set, 4.5 meters of patterned fabric and 6 meters of plain fabric are sufficient. Our quilt's third, I pinned the third side of our quilt. The remaining fourth side, the short part, I pinned a bit from the ends, from the right end and the left end to the middle part. After sewing this, I left a gap large enough to turn it inside out, meaning I won't sew this part. I will sew the other side completely on the machine. Our quilt, we had left a part of our quilt open. From the part we left open, starting from where we pinned, we begin our stitching. Again, we place our fabric on the line marked 1, 2 on our machine and continue sewing. We've reached the last edge. We sew up to a point with needle space we left open. We sew. Now we remove our pins. We remove our safety pins. We've removed our pins now. We turn our quilt inside out. In the open space, we will use the tip of our finger to ensure the corners come out nicely. Yes, we've turned our quilt now to the corners. We are bringing them out. We have turned our quilt inside out. Now we need to sew this open space. We fold this piece here so that it aligns exactly over the seam of these black pieces here. And we sew it in this way. We sew this gap like this. Friends, we fold the piece underneath so that it aligns over the seam of the other square pieces like this. And right along the edge we use the machine. We proceed with our stitching. Now, in order to sew the gap, of course, we need to start from the beginning. From the beginning, we take our bottom fabric a little to the front side by extending it and start our stitching. We extend our bottom piece like this, as seen, a little towards the front side of our quilt, as if we have attached something here. Now we have reached the gap section. Let me show you the gap section right away. By folding the gaps between our squares, we tuck them into the bottom lining. By sewing all four sides in this way, we complete our quilt.